Welcome back to the NIF tutorial. So in the last tutorial, we have learned about how to create a new dashboard using NIF. In this tutorial, we'll try to understand how to add new visualizations to the existing dashboards. For that, let's first click on the dashboard icon. This was the existing dashboard created by us in the past tutorial. Now here, as we can see, there are two visualizations that are already present into this dashboard. Now I want to add one more visualization. For that, we'll click on the edit mode. We'll click on the plus icon, select the workbook from which you want to select the visualization that you want to add into this existing dashboard. So suppose I selected this workbook and this is a visual that I want to add. So this is the third visualization that got added to this existing dashboard. So here I'll simply click on save to save this change, and now the dashboard has been saved successfully. So in this tutorial, we learned about how to add a new visualization to the existing dashboard. In the upcoming tutorial, we'll try to learn about more such exciting features about NIF dashboards. Thank you.